Hello guys, welcome to another video from programming tutorial channel. So in this video I want to solve the question number 2.33. So here the question is given two methods. I want to use the second one, and let's start it. We need a scanner class. Now let's import it. Now we have two inputs. Here. One is weight in kilogram and height of a person. So both of them can be double. We must get double inputs. Sorry, I don't know the spelling of enter your weight and kilogram kg. So total weight is equals to input dot next double. So you declare a double value, then enter your height. Now let's have a BMI variable. Double BMI is equals to weight divided by height square. H cross H. Now we have the value. So your BMI value is equals to plus BMI. Now let's print these values so that the person could check whether he is normal or not. Underweight now let's do copy it. Let's copy the table. Control C. Copy the last one. Control C. Now let's check the output. Enter your weight in kilogram. So my weight is 75 75 and my height is 1.8. So my BMI value is 75 and I am overweight. So I think this output is wrong. Let's check the program. We are doing a mistake. So here I think the problem is here. It is not considering the hierarchy of implementation. Let's take it between brackets. Now check it again. 75, 1.8. Now let's check the value. My BMI value is 23.14. So 23 is between 18 and 24, so I'm normal. So friends, if you like the video, please subscribe the channel to get next videos. Thank you.